And once again, this is the matchup of the Converge Fiber Xers contra sa De La Salle Green Archers. So the defending UAAP champions will battle it out against another PBA team. And here we go. Brian Santos and Phillips jumping up. And the first possession will go to the De La Salle Green Archers. Ramiro, ibigay kang Justin Arana with a monster performance last night with 28 points and 11 rebounds. Double team, has to kick it out. Fadeaway shot, yes! First field goal for JL De Los Santos.
Fine. Yes, he has been sniping last night.
Oh, I think he was perfect on three-point line. As that shot goes, first shot for Alex Stockton. This time at the point guard position, Justin Arana. Kontra Michael Phillips. Cross-court feed, Brian Santos from the corner. His three-pointer is good. Brian Santos, empty trip for La Salle. They're still scoreless in the opening quarter. Another corner. Second straight three for Brian Santos, and a quick timeout by Coach Topex Robinson. It's back out. Justin Arana goes into the basket, but he has to stop. The one-handed shot. Yes.
Justin Arana.
And a good hustle by Kevin Kiambao as he got the steal from Justin Arana. Makalalag. Nice setup. And there's the first field goal for Lian Ramiro. So good ball movement by La Salle. They're looking for another open shot. Makalalag squeaks in, and Cortez gets the cleanup job for two.
La Salle needs to continue their execution again on offense. Just be patient. They'll catch up.
That's for sure, especially for Coach Topex Robinson. And Shawnee Winston, the former La Sallian, hits a three-point shot. Goes baseline, has to kick it back out. That's Golyena for three, and a foul.
I think the basket will count here.
Tingnan natin. So the referees will go to the replay monitor. And Kevin Kiambao on the run. Eli Golyena on the touchdown for two. 8 points in the first quarter.
Iba talaga, young legs, no? Mabilis.
Maliliksik kumbaga. Shawnee Winston down in the paint. His first field goal of the ball game.
Familiar jumper, no? Nakita natin yung kagabi.
That's right, against Phoenix. On a high-scoring affair na umabot pa ng overtime. CJ Austria hits a three. And that's the first three for CJ Austria. What's up? No. Offensive rebound by Fornillos. Converge playing all Filipino tonight. And the shot goes off the wing. That's a 20-foot shot for Shawnee Winston.
The oohs and the ahs from the crowd.
Amos down in the paint, and his first field goal for Mason Amos.
Good response from Mason. Very active hands.
Oh,
for his frame.
And we're down to 2 on the shot clock though. Rubico has to fire and hits. And that's a three. Was that?
Light-hearted and sobrang saya kasama.
That's for sure. Off the inbounds, here comes BJ Andrade coming off the timeout as he hits the three. It's now as the Converge Fiber Xers with a 30-26 lead at the end of the first quarter.
No? So
just like yung kagabi against Rain or Shine, Coach Cholo, di ba?
Good response.
A nice pick and roll.
Wow.
And Pat Vandenberg, his first basket of the ball game.
Yeah, long.
Now here comes Amos on the other side. Phillips. So we have a little bit of a two-man game. Phillips down in the paint using a series of picks.
Beautiful.
Great body control for Michael Phillips.
Yes. Instruct sa mga players and that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
As Amos hits a three-point shot, make that 5 points in the first half for. Now Stockton and a strip by Phillips. Phillips on the foot all the way. Oh! Woo! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips.
Check the rim, Ray. Very.
And it's now a 1-point lead for La Salle and a quick answer for Brian Santos. So JL Del Santos inside to Arana, able to receive the pass. One-hander is good. So here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second three.
9 points for Mason Amos. Brian Santos.
Sobra lang, sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
The change of pace.
Oh, yan yung laruan talaga ni Alex Stockton. with a much improved campaign for Converge last conference sa PBA Philippine Cup.
A strong finish from Alex Stockton.
On the other end, that's Makalalag on the blow-by. He blew by Justin Arana. He protect their title for the upcoming season 87 in UAAP. Golyena hits another 3 for the De La Salle Green Archers. Rebound by Makalalag. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First basket in the second quarter.
Mahirap na tira, but
intercepted though by Kevin Kiambao.
Yes.
4-on-3 pass break. Kiambao sets up to Cortez, and the second chance is good.
Good tip.
Raven Cortez.
And to shoot though for JL De Los Santos. Are they aware of it? Brian Santos at the buzzer, and he goes.
Santos for 3.
And a huge loose ball. And that will go to De La Salle. And CJ Austria with a nice catch and finish. And looks like he's trying to taunt the opponent. I mean, that's his, that's his antics.
That's his style, yes.
Yes. Arana, babangga sa ilalim. Another hook shot. 100 shot for Justin Arana.
I think Arana. Here comes De La Salle.
Makalalag sets up Kiambao for 3.
That time, no?
That was a wide open shot for Kevin Kiambao.
It's mentioned JL De Los Santos averaging 4 rebounds per game.
If I'm not mistaken, as Stockton draws the foul and 1.
Excellent play.
Off the inbounds, that's a knockout play para sa Converge. It's not a good idea, intercepted by Phillips. La Salle goes on the run. Makalala gets away.
I was saying Phillips was all over.
So he has been struggling in the first half. Mula sa 3-point country, Kiambao. Quick shot, Austria cleans it up.
Right place at the right time. Again, 2-1 press.
And Golyena with a steal goes to the basket and the layup. Fast break points for La Salle. So they don't have to commit another silly foul if you're the white shirts. Golyena, open 3. Got it to go!
Oh.
It's been raining freeze for the De La Salle Green Archers.
Tremendous finish in the second quarter. Up now by 14.
So it's a shot. And La Salle, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips! Nangangapi sa ere pala si Michael Phillips. La Salle with another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, now taking his time. Marasigan, that's a 3.
That's what I'm saying, Ray. Kahit sinong papasok mo dyan, Salle doesn't mind. No?
Kasi lamang sila ng 17.
Oo nga eh.
Caralipio has been silent. A hop step and the basket. 60 guy right there, Mason Amos. Golyena on the blow by. What a play by Eli Golyena!
Bang klase.
Stockton misses the layup. Another fast break for La Salle, and Ethan Alian goes for 2.
Look at Golyena.
7 to shoot.
Isolation plays.
Back out to Stockton. Blocked by Golyena. Gets it back with 2 to shoot. Caralipio at the buzzer. Got it to go.
They needed that basket, no?
And the threes have not fallen for Alex Stockton. Arana trapped underneath. Santos will try his own 3.
Yes.
Knocks it down.
Kailangan nila yun.
And that's an N1. A rare 4-point play. Berg almost lost control of it. Rakal for 3.
Boom!
Knocks it down. He thought he was fouled, and here comes La Salle. Austria kontra kang Rakal. Quick spin move to the cup for 2. And that will count and foul. May foul pa. At bibigay kang Shawnee Winston. Now guarded by Austria. Winston all the way to the cup. Able to see some crack of the defense.
Kaya nga eh. Do you think this game will be badikit na naman?
And that is the challenge if you're Converge.
Remains to be
Fast-paced La Salle squad. Dito sa ating second game ngayong Biyernes. Shawnee to the cup. That will count and a foul. So Shawnee Winston trying to lead the charge in the third quarter. Taken away from the former La Salle player. And here comes BJ Andrade for 3. 7-point game. Atat on the drive. Kicks it out. Abadam. That's a 3 coming off the timeout.
It's a 3-point basket on
Back to a 10-point lead. Here comes Shawnee Winston. Almost slipped. Entry pass to Pat Magdenberg against Luis Pablo. Has to kick it out. Andrade, another three. Another one! Second straight three for BJ Andrade. Andrade falls down to 6 seconds. Abadam, nice pass to Pablo. Counted and
Beautiful.
one.
Beautiful finish. Body control from Pablo.
We're approaching a minute remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Luis Pablo to the cup.
Luis Pablo.
Another basket for the youngster, Luis Pablo. But Magdenberg, blocked by Pablo, gets it back with one to shoot. Has to fire.
Boom.
Knocks it down. Right at the buzzer for BJ Andrade.
Perfect.
5 seconds for Macalala. Goes to work against Magdenberg. Down to 2 seconds. Launches. Got it at the buzzer. JC Macalalag
Cool
beats
as
the
ice.
buzzer at the end of the third quarter. That was a big one as De La Salle takes a 94-85 lead. Yung nangyari kagabi against Phoenix, ano?
Correct. Oh.
That was swatted
Sapal.
away by Michael Phillips.
Here we
Kiambao.
go.
Back to Phillips!
Baby.
Woo! What a play between the two front court players, Kiambao and Phillips.
Galit na galit. Gustong manakit.
And the
Grabe.
rim is still shaking on the other end.
Oo nga eh.
Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and one.
Basket count for Justin Arana.
Great defense from Phillips. Down to 4 seconds. Arana
Ganda.
turns, shoots, and scores.
Arana.
7-point game. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for 3. Knocks it down. 4-point game.
Kitang-kita.
Right on cue.
Exactly.
Plenty of basketball. 7 minutes remaining. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores.
Wow.
Another basket for Justin Arana and a quick timeout by Coach Topex Robinson.
In terms of scoring.
Now in the hands of Michael Phillips. Poposting ngayon kontra ang Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's good.
Great shot from Phillips.
Coming off the timeout.
Wow, good.
Shawnee Winston now against his former team. Santos, extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go. 1-point game.
Grabe.
Phillips poposting ngayon. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and a shot. That's good.
The CJ Austria is
After they were down as much as 19. Amos almost a strip. Macalalag able to recover and gets the basket to go. Another big shot for JC Macalalag. Ball, balikang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin.
Wow.
Gets the basket to go. Down to a 5-point game. Macalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on the foot
Oh my.
and jams it home. Scoring the last 4 points. Surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slipped. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one.
Ayaw talaga.
Make that 6 points. Justin Arana scoring the last 6 points for the Converge Fiber Xers. Looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. 3 pointers, good.
Big shot from the big guy. Ano naman?
And a chance for Converge to tie or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Shawnee wide open.
All the way. Blocked by Phillips.
Rejected.
And here comes LaSalle on the fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria after backcourt. Phillips able to break through. Kicks it out.
Nako po.
Tungo hesitates and Kiambao almost slip. Abadam big shot.
Backbreaker.
Dagger shot for EJ Abadam. Timeout. With 13 to shoot. Launches. No. And a rebound by LaSalle. And here comes Kiambao for the layup. Yes.
Pumasok.
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3.
No.
No. And that will do it. The De La Salle Green Archers with a come from behind victory against the Converge Fiber Xers. The De La Salle Green Archers as they earn their first win sa ating 39th Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament 2024.